limits, mindset. The Wright brothers were looking for funding. And everybody said, you're out of your mind. You cannot get an equipment that's heavier than air to fly. But the Wright brothers had an idea about wing shape and pressure and creating lift. And they kept at it, even though it was against the prevailing point of view. The prevailing point of view was it couldn't get done. And you can see that the Wright brothers were successful, and in 50 years, look at the advance, and then in 100 years, look at where flight has gone, because they didn't accept the prevailing point of view. And notice it was incremental progress, however. In 1954, it was thought that the truth was a human being just was not engineered, it was just not possible to run a sub 4-minute mile. Well, in 1954, Roger Bannister, I was blanking on his name for a second, Roger Bannister broke the sub 4-minute barrier, and almost immediately, about 12 other people did it as well. The quantum physics people would say the space was conditioned. A new mindset was developed, just like with the Wright brothers. Okay, last demonstration about mindset. Now, let me have my 6 volunteers from up front that have been picked, the 6 people to come on up. Thanks. And if you could just, can we have the hand camera on this? If you can stand behind the table, come on up. And what we're going to do, come on up, grab 6 pens. You can work as a team partner, or you can do it by yourself. And what your assignment is with 6 pens is to form 4 equal-sized triangles. Each triangle is the same side as one of the pens. So form 4 equal-sized triangles with the 6 pens, and each side of each leg of the triangle is the same size. Look over here. Arrange 6 pens to make 4 triangles. The triangles must be the same size, with each side equal to the length of 1 pen. You need 6 pens, and let's watch how they do. Can you get right on the table there? Your approach is not going to solve this problem. You need to change your approach. Your approach is not going to solve this problem. You need to change your approach. If you keep on approaching this as you are not going to have a solution. You need to change your approach. No, 6 pens. Your approach needs to change. Can you get that camera high so you can see what they're doing? You have to change your approach. Make sure you're only using 6 pens now. You got more than 6 pens there. Your approach is not going to solve this problem. You need to change your approach. I don't know what you're doing, but you're scaring me over here. Your approach is not going to solve this problem. You need to change your approach. Anybody have this solved? Can you come on up and help them? Come on up. Your approach is not going to solve this problem. You need to change your approach. If you keep approaching the problems that you have the same way you've always approached them, you're not going to get a different solution. Excuse me. I thought you had the solution. That's not the solution. No. Show me a triangle. Is each triangle the same side length as one of the pens? All right, where's the camera? Get this. I think we might have it. Aha. Here we go. We have the solution. Can you see right over here? There it is. We have a solution. Can you see that? Would you give me a hand? Thank you. Thanks, guys. Go ahead back. Thanks. Go ahead back. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, that was tough. Tougher than I thought, wasn't it? Same slide again, please. Here's what I see. I saw this, and someone said, well, there's 4 triangles. Well, show me one. There's a triangle. Yes, that's a triangle. But is each size of the triangle, each leg, the same size as one of the pens? No, it's not. And so here's what the solution is. You do start with a portion down at the bottom. And should we leave this on and continue? Or is someone there to take it? Okay. And you come up in a 3rd dimension. There's your 4 equal-sized triangles. But notice, that it is a third dimension, a different type of thinking in that dimension that is the key. And, thank you. We'll come back to this slide. Thank you. And we have in our household, we have this thought that we don't say, I can't do something. Instead, what we say is, at my present mindset, a solution is not available. So my daughter says she couldn't do something in the living room. I said, Emily, we don't say, I can't do something. We say, at my present mindset, a solution is not available. Now say it. Say it. She wouldn't say it. I said to my wife, help me out on here. My wife says, she's only 5. Leave her alone. But anyway, that is the point. Let's put that into your curriculum for life, curriculum for living commandments, number 15. Eliminate, I can't with, at my present mindset, a solution is not available.